Question 7. The structure of glycine is shown. It is here. Which row is correct? Formula of glycine. So here it is about the formula, the number of different elements in glycine. Okay, so the number of different elements, we can see carbon, we can see hydrogen, we can see oxygen, we can see nitrogen. Those are 4. So we have to look at this one and this one. The molecular formula shows the whole number ratio of all elements. In fact, it shows number of atoms, the exact number of atoms in a given compound. But then the empirical formula shows the simplest whole number ratio of atoms that are present in a given compound. So I'll come here and I count how many carbons. 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2. So there are 2 carbons. Then hydrogens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hydrogens are 5. Then I put a 5. Then we have oxygens are 2. And then there is a nitrogen. So which one is that? Don't you think it is B? This is the one here. So with the 2 ticks, that is a B. Question 8. The incomplete equation for photosynthesis is this one here. Compound P is a product of the reaction. Which row describes the values of W, X, and Y and gives the empirical formula of compound P? It gives the empirical formula of compound P. Now, if this is photosynthesis, then we are forming glucose. Okay? It has to be glucose. And glucose is C6. This is glucose. C6H12, then O6. Then from there, that is the molecular formula. Then the empirical formula, this is the simplest whole number ratio of all atoms in a given compound. So we can divide all through by 6 to simplify here. So it will be C1, then H2, then O1. So that is the empirical formula. So I have to look at this and this. Okay. Now these ones, they gave a molecular formula. So you have to be very careful. They asked for the empirical formula. Then now balancing the equation. So to balance this equation, since we have now known this is the empirical formula, and then the molecular formula is C6H12O6, then this is oxygen. So we have here water, and then here we have carbon dioxide. So we shall begin by balancing carbon dioxide, carbons. This is 6, so I will put a 6 here. Then hydrogens, they are 12. I'll put a 6 here. You see that? Then how many oxygens do we have? This is 12 oxygens plus 6, that is 18. This is 6. Then we shall add on 12, so that means this one will also be 6. So W, X, and Y are actually all the same. So this one is okay. That means the answer has to be A.